Student, in last lecture we have seen how to create a new calendar for Microsoft Project 2013. So in this session we'll be learning how to map a new project. So first of all, new project, there are a blank project, new from existing project, new from Excel, and there are not many templates they are given. You can use it if you want. Second is there is a open. If you have other Microsoft project .mpp files are there, you can open directly. This all menu is same like a Microsoft Office. Save as. There's a print option. In print there is a option of date wise printing. So you can either print entire project or specific date project. There is an export button. You can export it as a PDF or XPS. Then this account information, your account is activated or not activated, you can see here. Then there is an option screen. So the option is general options. You will find a default view, Gantt chart view, date format. Again the display screen as seen in the calendar type and the currency type. If you want to change the currency, you can change the currency. But student, it is advisable if you are not well versed with this, do not change any other option. Only you look for currency change, right? And then click on OK. So this is your Gantt chart view. Okay. So this Gantt chart view is the, you can say, your home screen. The right side will be the Gantt chart, and here you will be in a tabular form. You can list out your task and stock activity. So for beginning, what we have to do is we have to go to project and click on project information. So in a project information, you see the first is a start date. So we have seen in our earlier lecture, there is a requirement of planned start date. So this start date is your planned start date. So you can set your planned start date. Then this is a current date, automatically it is coming, and there is a schedule from project start date. There is an option of project finish date also. Student, there are different kind of project. Now few projects have a constraint of closing date. So those project you can use from the project end date or project finish date. So it will work on a reverse way. Then this is a calendar type. We have seen in a last lecture this calendar, which are, there are 3 standard calendars, and apart from that, whatever new calendar we are creating as a project calendar, it will reflect here. Okay, so you can select whichever you want. So you click on OK. So your project is ready. So first line is the project name. You can write your project name. So what we'll do is we'll write a training. For example, this is our project, right? So if you break a project in a multiple WBS, so we'll make this project in a 5 WBS. The first WBS is initiation, second is planning, third is execution, fourth is monitoring, and last is closing. So just see all the thing, all there's a project name, and these all 5 are the WBS for the project. So WBS means manageable work package. Okay. So inside the WBS there will be task or activities, you can say. So we want those, all the WBS should be under our project. So what we can do is we have selected, you can see select a single and go to taskbar, and there is a indent task. Okay, so click on indent task. Automatically this WBS is coming under your project. So similarly you can do for planning, then you can do for execution, you can do for monitoring, and you can do for closing. So if you want to see, you can see like that. If you click this, all the WBS will inside the project. So the project has the, so this is the basically parent-child relationship, you can say. So presently all the WBS is the task mode is the manual schedule. You see, this is a manual schedule. So if you make an auto schedule, it will automatically the dates and will come. So if you select it and make a auto schedule, so the same date will come. So likewise we can do for, otherwise you can select like this and you can make it. Right? So student, we have seen how to enter a name, project date, then calendar, selection of calendar, then project name and WBS.